Hi, it's Brian. Wanted to talk to you today about having some extra food on hand, specifically eggs. Let me share a few things that we do that may help you. One of the things we do is we have whole egg powder on hand. Another thing that we do is when we buy eggs, last weekend we went to a farm and we bought fresh eggs that had not been washed. If they're not washed, they will still have the natural coating on them called a bloom, and they last a lot longer. So in a cool, dry place, eggs will last for weeks if they have the bloom on them. And if you put them in the refrigerator with the bloom on them, they'll last for months. What we've done is we've taken those fresh eggs with the bloom on them, and we've done something called water glassing, is where you put them in and then you put some pickling lime on top of it. The last thing that we do is we'll take fresh eggs and we'll put them, and after we mix them, kind of like scrambled eggs, and we put them on a tray and we put them in a freeze dryer. So we do this to be prepared for when we run out of eggs and my wife or I are making something, we'll have fresh eggs on hand. You can literally take an egg out and it works up to 12 to 18 months, depending upon the eggs, but 12 months for sure. The eggs will be fresh and available for you. So again, a variety of solutions from my family is some of the things that we do. Hopefully some of this helps you. Please, if you have any questions, email us about this topic or any of the related topics. And please go to bepreparedsolutions.co for a myriad of products and solutions and offerings that we've put together, we've used in our own families, and hopefully it'll help yours. Thank you.